Hey everybody, this video is going to go over the homework for the week 4 module, which really isn't a whole lot. So hopefully by now you've already realized that we are taking our midterm exam here in week 4. I know it's a week early, but it just makes more sense to do it this week given the layout of our class. So for week 4, all you've had to do this week is the week 4 journal, and then the lesson on chapter 6, revising for 4 bases of writing. You'll take the midterm, and you do have your week 4 discussion. So this week's discussion is life then versus life now, okay? So I want you to think about how much life has changed since you were a child. And then I want you to discuss at least 3 similarities and or differences between life then and life now. You can choose to discuss similarities and differences from your own personal life, then versus now, or you can choose to discuss similarities or difference about life in general, like that most of us would have experienced, those changes. But regardless of which direction you choose to go, just be specific with your examples. For instance, don't just say life as a kid was more fun, but life now is much harder. Instead, provide specific examples of fun and specific examples of much harder, right? So just give me the examples. Be specific with your explanation. But again, you can look at your personal life then versus now, or life in general then versus now. Be specific with the examples you give. You can look at similarities or differences or a little bit of both, and you can be as serious or as humorous as you wish. Make sure you have your first post done, your response to my discussion question Thursday night by 11:59 p.m., and then respond to 2 other classmates by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any technical difficulties with it, please let me know right away. And that's really all you have to do. As long as you've already done the weekly journal for week 4, get this discussion done in week 4 before it closes, and then you'll do the midterm exam, which has separate instructions when you get to that assignment. If you have any questions about any of this or any problems, technical difficulties, please let me know right away. Otherwise, I look forward to reading your discussion posts and seeing how you guys do on the midterm.